Hello again and welcome to another tutorial on how to get easy money, and today we will be looking at the BanFaucets where you can easily do surveys or play games and get paid for it. You can also watch ads and do every 5-minute faucets when you gain 5 points, the tokens. 100,000 token is $1, and it's really easy to do. As you can see here, there are surveys that are recommended. There is one that will take you 11 minutes and you will get $425. You can do 2 or 3 of them, which combined they will not take more than half an hour, because what they say here, it's most of the time is shorter than that, but you need to answer truthfully or you won't get any tokens for it. There is also coupon which you will get if you join their Telegram channel, and they post it in the evening around 6 a.m. and there, if you want to withdraw, just click here. Here you select payment methods, which I use direct wallets. Then you go next, which token you want to withdraw. I personally use Litecoin. You click Litecoin, and the amount you want to withdraw, the minimum is 250. You click next, and in about 5 minutes you will have the money on your account. So you won't get much money from it, but it's free, so why not? Also, you can use mining here, which uses your GPU. If you download their app, you can use your PC to mine the tokens, but I do not recommend it for people with low spec PCs, because it only consumes electricity and you will get minimum of the coins. So this is for someone with better PC. You can also deposit here for staking, because you can also stake here, but I don't recommend it because the payout is really small. So don't forget to register through my link for getting small reward, and have a nice day.